If you're looking for a seaside cafe that truly feels like an escape from everyday life, Lawon Canal Cafe is one of those places that instantly captures your heart from the moment you arrive. As soon as you step into the cafe, the noise and stress of the outside world begin to fade away. All that remains is a gentle sea breeze, the calming sounds of nature, and breathtaking views that make you want to slow down and simply enjoy the moment. One of the cafe's greatest charms is its unique location, along a peaceful canal that flows toward the sea. The open landscape offers stunning views of the water, the sky, and the lush greenery surrounding the area. Wherever you look, the scenery creates a sense of relaxation and tranquility. The cafe features a beautiful blend of modern design and natural elements. Wooden textures, earthy tones, and thoughtfully designed spaces create a warm and welcoming atmosphere that perfectly complements the coastal surroundings. Whether you choose a cozy indoor seat or a table in the outdoor area, you'll be able to enjoy the refreshing sea air and a peaceful waterfront setting. Many visitors come here not just for coffee, but for the opportunity to sit back, unwind, and appreciate the beauty of nature. Photography lovers will also find plenty to enjoy, from charming walkways and stylish seating areas to picturesque waterfront views. Nearly every corner of Lawon Canal Cafe offers a perfect backdrop for memorable photos. The menu includes a wide selection of coffee, refreshing beverages, delicious desserts, and satisfying meals, making it an ideal destination for both a quick break and a leisurely afternoon by the water. As the day moves into the evening, the atmosphere becomes even more magical. Golden sunlight reflects across the water while the cool breeze drifts through the cafe, creating a peaceful and unforgettable setting.